Slapnem? Most resistant? The timeless white kitchen. It is probably the most versatile one. Today we'll look at 3 white doors in 3 different materials. Hello, my name is François. Welcome to our E-SPACE. Let's start with the laminated option. It is the most known and most used. It's a wood particle board covered with a decorative paper set with a resin, also known as furniture board. So for the pros of that material, it is the most affordable, it is crash resistant and very easy to maintain. Something to consider as a con is that you won't have a great selection for solid colors in whites. A second option is advanced engineered product. It is the most resistant. It's a thin and solid film created with nanotechnology, and it's set with thermosetting resin. The Phoenix is the most popular advanced engineered product. It is fingerprint proof, scratch resistant, and it also can be used as a counter surface. The cons for that product is sometimes it can be a bit costly. Finally, we'll talk about the lacquer. It is a MDF or hardwood core with multiple layers of paint in various different sheen. The pros for that material is that you can have infinite choice of colors. Any custom color that you would like, you can obtain. Also, it gives you great flexibility for ornamental architectural pieces, like a hood, moldings, toe kicks, any accessories that you would like, you can obtain in the right color that you want. Something to consider as a con for the lacquer is that it's a bit more sensitive to humidity and also won't be as resistant to shocks. Regardless of the material that you choose, that you select a slab door or a 5-piece door, the white kitchen will give you the most possibilities for hardware selection and accessories. Think of it as a white canvas where you're free to decide what you want for your own project. Hopefully this tip was useful. To learn more, visit us on our E-SPACE. I'm François. Have a great day.